EduMan. DJS Technologies has as its primary aim, the provision of creative management systems for use by educational institutions. We are responding to processes rather than just marketing and selling software to our clients. Our clients have to enter into a joint agreement and commit to certain procedures before the software is released. EduMan is one such application, which has as its main objective, the complete management of such institutions. The management of institutions such as schools requires a lot more than just completing mark schedules. Management must be guided by technology and information, allowing the institution to enhance its service levels to immediate clients and improving its competitive position in the marketplace. Response to such processes, allowing management to control all the various components of management. DJS Technologies operates as a software development/innovations company dedicated to developing quality software/business solutions for niche users who can't source what they need from the mainstream software houses. We intend to generate enough profit for continued growth and development in quality product and services. Our software is built on clearly defined management and business processes to ensure optimum quality assurance. We attempt to abide to development methodologies at all costs to ensure that projects are delivered against clearly, measurable outcomes. Our clients enter into contract to abide to clearly outlined processes, ensuring quality delivery of product and services. Our clients are dynamically involved in the needs assessment process and evaluation to ensure that all deliverables are clearly met. Our clients should have a dire need for the product and service that we offer. We offer a better quality product at a lower price than that offered by our competitors. The purpose is to embrace the market and extend our client base by offering them other services in the next wave of technology to hit this sector. We want to position ourselves by establishing our credibility in offering quality service and products. Learner Management Module. All learners are linked to a unique admission number, which is incremented whenever a new learner is added to the system. Existing admission numbers can be used whilst the software will assign unique numbers to new learners. The Learner module is quite comprehensive and lends itself well for statistical summaries. It encompasses the following core detail. General information. Address detail could be different to that of debtor/parent. Transport information. Medical information. Subject selection. Assets linked to learner. Remarks unique to specific learner. Learner absenteeism control. Ranges of reports of learners are available including class lists, birthday reports, class lists with photos, identity cards per selected class. Debtor/parent management module. The debtor is the first parent or designated individual responsible for the learner in all aspects including that of school fees. The following details are catered for. Full name details. Address billing address. Employer. Remarks. Financial information such as balance outstanding, number of learners linked to debtor etc. Reports include the following. Address lists. Mailing labels. Debtors statements per selected class. SMS integration. Our software includes an integrated SMS module. No additional software is required. Messages can be sent to parents in a diverse manner either as an SMS or Wi-Fi message. A mobile platform is also available to parents and teachers where this information can be accessed. Learner assessment details can also be accessed via the mobile platform which is in the form of a Mobi app. Incident management. We are staking a new era in managing learner behavior at school. Incidents will be logged dynamically and in real time where parents can be alerted via SMS or other social media. Parents will have access to this information should the school decide to make this information available to the parent community. Absentee management. We are introducing a new area in managing learner attendance by making use of mobile platforms. This will greatly assist teachers by reporting daily attendance as well as subject attendance per day. Principals will have access to this information real time. Teachers will be able to mark learners on the mobile, which has been warmly welcomed by teachers as it will make their lives easier in reporting such incidents. FET band schedules and data analysis. We have been doing this for 15 years for high schools. We have aligned all our outputs to CAPS to ensure that we comply in delivering information as required. We respond to the requests of our clients in making their lives easier by delivering information on demand. Edioman provides the management of schools with information as required by simply pressing a button. We are constantly improving our service offering. Edioman is web-based and can be accessed for any device. No updates, loss of data or unavailability of the system.